watch running. Let's take a look. Shake it out of the, pop it right out. Let's see, guys. Oh, wow. That's unbelievable. It's still running. Well, as you can see, we're ready to go. We'll take this block of ice and we're just gonna toss it right on in. All right, let's pull it out. I think we killed it. Looks like we killed it, guys. So guys, after further review, we took this right out and it's still beeping. So I'm gonna let this cool off and we're gonna check on this in, I don't know, let's say a half hour or so when it cools down and see if we indeed fully killed this. You know what? Look at that, guys. Look what's going on. Look at that. Wow. I think this watch is still alive. We're gonna give it a little bit more time and we'll check in on it. That now it's fully functional again. That was real time. Was not expecting that at all. I thought we killed it. Come here. What do you think, Jack? What are you thinking? You think this watch will last? We're gonna put it on sanitary, extra hot. We're gonna toss it right on in. Just like that. And we're gonna start it on up. Check back with you guys in 18 minutes. Casio last the entire watch cycle. And there you go, guys. The Casio F91W is one tough watch, guys. Well, there's only one logical thing to do now that it's all wet behind the ears. It's time to dry it. All right, let's check on it. Wow, it's pretty hot in here. Let's see. Whew. Well, as you can see, let's just change the time around a little bit. It actually looks like it's starting to set the alarm time. This Casio went through the entire sanitary wash cycle for 18 minutes, and it did a 10-minute dry cycle. Still working. I'm in disbelief. How about you guys? Comment below.